Yes, good morning, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to dive in on PTC, MicroStrategy, maybe Ethereum. Right now I'm concentrate to talk about on monthly offer here. This is my chart here. You see, I can do even like 3 months candles so that you can see the line which you see over here. If you maybe see it's not why it's not correct. So we are looking Bitcoin. When it started, Bitcoin started all the way from 110, that is the lowest point, and this here it was around 20. Let me make sure. Yeah, brief. So this chart started around 2015 when Coinbase started trading on PTC. Remember Bitcoin guys on from 2009. I think it was trading under the people buying through wallets, but now let's jump now. So we have this 3 months candle which you see over here on 2017. Bitcoin closed around 14,000 on that 3 months. It was a bull run, and then the next 3 months it doubled, and then it consolidated between this price around 3,000, and then 2020 we saw the huge candle close here in the last 3 months, and then another 3 months which it was around that 2020, and it was around 2021 I mean, and then it crashes, it bounces on here, it push back, when all you see this resistance uptrend, and then we closed below here. We came another 2022, or it is 2023. So this bull run from 2023, you see Bitcoin pushing from all the way 25, closes in the last 3 months here around 43 open, and then it closes all the way to 75 and 2024. Remember guys, this like every candle here you see like these 3 candles here is almost a year, and then you push it all the way, and right now maybe let me I don't think if I will not cancel that one, but you see what I'm talking about. Bitcoin the last 3 months now, is it going to do like this one, cap down? You see, you push all the way, and we have this one which is working right now, and I'm going to explain about that one. So when you come on Bitcoin on monthly now, you see why I draw that line. So this one, it was a resistance on between 2017 2018, and right now after we finish here, we are now, is this one going to happen like our support? And if Bitcoin closes this here this month, remember market day also explains some stuff, and this is a monthly candle, so we have already down from top. So remember this last 3 months, and yeah, I can see last 2 months and this month, we're still watching if you can come below. Do you think guys you are going to test this area, or it's already tested this uptrend support? It was resistance, and now this will be our future support. So for example, everyone now talking Bitcoin to touches between 150. If you hit around, let's assume Bitcoin to hit around 50,000 here, 150 I mean 150, and then will come this area will support the next crash, or the next you can call next bear market. But now we still holding this area. This is not over until we break. But now we are, if I can tell you the truth, Bitcoin, it look like it's want to break out from that downtrend. So when you come on a monthly here, you see on weekly though, you see some you see this downtrend that I draw. We have like, if you close a path here and then weekly to signal pi, we are going to break this 109, man. Just keep your mind. I think I will update if this thing, let's call this week, we close this week or next week, before this end of this month. Remember right now with on 15th April, assume on March or on May we are around 90,000, man. that will be the one of the coolest breakout. Remember, Bitcoin hold this area. We pounces when we closes below, and then we open below here. Like when you see this support over here, you see we have not official closes below this area. And if use something like 200 moving average, you will say this thing is doing very good, and it's very bullish. And if you want to buy anything that can make you rich, I'll come. That's why I'm talking about MicroStrategy, because if PTC is going to do what I'm telling you, you see, we are rejecting. And if you saw I tweeted about something on X, and I say we are on this area. Remember, this one has been the serious downtrend. So what I'm expecting is not financial advice, because that will be huge. Maybe we'll test here, coming somewhere here, and it will not be like that, guys. Remember, these are daily, and that's why we have this breakout which is going to happen over here. Remember, this is what I was telling you on weekly. We pounces again, we reclaim. The last 2 days we stay here around that low 73,000. Yeah, we tested that area, and you see we are doing very cool. MACD is very bullish on Bitcoin. So now because I talk about Ethereum, man, I feel Ethereum, like, I don't think is it a good time to buy. When you use we can start on 3 months charts over here. You see we bounces at this support some previous years. It was around 900. You push all the way, we came closer to that price. So around this 1500 or 1300 we came. I think that was the right time. But now when you see on that 3 months chart, you see this one, this is telling you, I was telling someone maybe Ethereum will go even less than, it's going to less than 800, because when you start MACD, it's telling you Ethereum is going to go the long-term bear market. Like when you talk about the long-term bear market, it's going to be taking more than 3 years, 4 years, like a long-term bear market. And what does that mean about the long-term bear market? You will talk about PCH, that Bitcoin Cash. Let me see if I will bring the correct Bitcoin Cash. So let's use this one. I mean, I don't think this is the right one, but let's use this one. Let me copy PCH, and I will use something like this one for finance. Yeah, so when you see something like that one, this is a long-term pair, but it's not showing on MACD. But you see, this is when you use a monthly, you see this long-term pair. So remember, this one Bitcoin Cash was more expensive during this time, when around 20. Let me see this. Let me cancel here. When you see around 2021, we reach almost 2,500. Let me see. I don't know. It's not giving me accurate, but remember, PCH was, or Bitcoin Cash was on long-term bear market. So let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum, because I had some Ethereum ETF stock, which is they have already done several reversal split, and which is called ETHU. It's ×2, which is so it can pay you well, or it can. Whenever Ethereum is dummy like this one, you lose money. They did around this area, they did split, and then today or this week they did split. Ethereum monthly, you see, we are on pair market, and I will tell you another one. On weekly, we may be seeing some pounds, maybe hit somewhere around, I don't know. We have double, triple top, which is within the break, and it was telling you we are going to move long-term pair market. And remember, guys, bull market is going to end very soon, maybe early 2026. I think so, maybe but early 2026. Another thing, so I saw something. I don't know if Solana will cancel that pair market. I feel for Solana. So because, guys, when I buy something, I have to look like long term. So when you see Solana over here, man, this is on this, if this thing is not going to signal pi, Solana long term is going to be part, okay? And I'm telling you which stock I'm buying right now, and it's paying good coins. In fact, it's a coin. It's called Atom. The reason why I'm buying Atom, it didn't perform since 2021 testing. You see this one, I brought something here, but since 2021 this thing was coming down. And if you go on any platform that you buy some coins, you will see Atom right now is paying good money, like 16%. Like you put $1,000, you get the dividends, and that would be 16% for $1,000. It's going to be $160. And this thing is under $5. That's 160. You will buy several coins here, like. And when you see this long-term pair market, this thing or this one monthly, this is one signal pi is going to be huge breakout. So let's go on 3 months chart, and you'll see if you have any. So this thing, yeah, so this one, just I put this coin because I believe it's going to be it's going to be paying good. Yeah, so which other coins which I'm buying for long time, and we have this one called DRP. This is another a new coin which is, I think it's going to be huge bullish. So they listed some few months ago. When you see on market here, is telling you this thing is going to be, it's going to breaking out. It's going to breaking out. And let me put over here. Yeah, so when you pull like that here, you will see that this one, you can hit dollar, and you can go to do your own research from down this distance from here to here. It's going to tell you are going to hit a dollar on DRP, debt relief budget. Yeah, some of the coins which is we can put on watch list. And if I can remember with that coin which is the latest listed, yeah, Popcat. It's Popcat. It's very interesting. So on daily, this thing hit less than around 11 cents, but it's already since that crash for last week crash. This thing is already skyrocket more than so this thing is already more than 170%. If can I see if I can let me see the percentage. I think of 100% from here to here, hitting over 150%. And it's trading on Coinbase, Robinhood. And I was watching this coin to pull back, and I will take my re-entry. Popcat Yeah, when you see on the weekly, you see this one. This is telling you this is the coins that you should buy. Yeah, that's a secret. You can watch on MACD. This volume is telling you this thing is coin that the pop cut. Dog with hat, wife. Remember, you see this one. This one also is going to be huge. These are some of the coins now you should buy because they have already done with their. You see this downtrend over here. So we are watching this breakout, and this one all already offer. It bounces around this level. Remember, it was. You see this area. This is the area of. When they listed, it stay and then it skyrocketed from 30 cents to almost $5. And also another one, penguin. So I dive the small cap coins which is traded on Robinhood and Coinbase. You can pay, and at least you cannot get a rug pull. So this one is still under that downtrend lines, so it's still under the downtrend. Remember, guys, MicroStrategy, I will go to close with the stocks, especially MicroStrategy, CleanSpark. So we have this under this downtrend lines here on long term, but because this coin they listed, penguin is just, or penguin, you see this one. Yeah, we have this long term resistance, and then we have this one. Maybe on weekly, we saw on weekly we need to have enough the pop cut. We have the another one, penguin. We have this one which is, I'll tell you, but let's go to the MicroStrategy, mstr. So mstr right now we have that signal pi. It started all the way 236 last few days. Right now we are at 311 there. Yeah, so this is going to be huge, and you see it's almost time to signal pi the whole thing, all of the Bitcoin. I think the future is Bitcoin right now. So we have this long-term downtrend line here. You see on weekly, we're almost there. Maybe we'll reach 326 rejection, and we are watching. So remember, this one is targeting over 2000. Yeah, so we are watching also this area, man, but this is going to be huge. So guys, I don't know much to say right now. Let me see, mark this. Yeah, so guys, we have this one trend line. Yeah, so thank you so much. And mstr, so I'm bullish on mstr, and we can go to mstru. We have CleanSpark. I was running some coins which you should buy right now. CleanSpark. So CleanSpark is already retracing well, and still under $7, and we should buy after we break this. People lost the retracement. We are go all the way to 9. Remember, this thing was up to $25, and it's going to be huge. The reason I stopped doing this one because of this. We have this long term also, which is you can watch also. CleanSpark, Amara. Let's see Amara Holdings. Also, we have that long term pair, which is you can watch that one. Nvidia is officially on pair market. I don't know, but a lot of news coming in, but I will not buy Apple. We need to see Apple what can do. Tesla. I'm still bullish on Tesla. Yeah, so guys, thanks so much, and I think subscribe, like, and you can see. So I'm told you Bitcoin ways we are heading. 150 Bitcoin still bullish. Palantir still bullish. So those are you can buy, and you can watch the weekly, because you see volume came in. This thing still have more room to go, guys, after breaking this long-term support around 46. We think we can come to test in future, but now you see MACD saying no, we are still bullish. 150 on weekly. Let's see on weekly. Palantir until, guys, so until maybe we are forming. We had this like a downtrend line, but we remember we break it. So remember it's now up here. So this thing is already up here around 96, which is telling you it can move higher and higher. Man, I'm tired. We can talk later, okay? Thank you.